Which nerve is associated with motor function to prevent air from entering the affected duct? You only get 90 seconds per question in your exam. And trust me when I tell you that in exam, your clinical vignette is going to be double than this. You really need to work upon your reading speed. Alright, so just know this, that the buccal branch, just a straight anatomy question, that the buccal branch of the facial nerve is responsible for preventing air from entering the Stenson's duct, which is being talked about here. Okay, so Stenson's duct is the one next to the third molar. So this is an important part that you have to remember, that basically you have parotid gland and your facial nerve innervates the parotid gland. Okay, so therefore whenever you're doing any parotid surgery, you have to be absolutely careful not to disturb the facial nerve, right? And then what happens is all the secretions from the parotid gland, they go through the Stenson's duct into the oral cavity. So you have to remember this. It's a very important anatomical question. Where would you get the opening of the Stenson's duct in the mouth? Second molar, okay? You get it next to the second molar. And then you have the branches, don't need to know this. So just know that what happens is your buccal branch of facial, the buccal branch of the facial nerve, it innervates the buccinator muscle, and basically your buccinator muscle, it acts as a wall. It prevents the air from entering both the Stenson's duct as well as the parotid gland. So the question was asking you that the patient had painless swelling of the right cheek when he planes his tuba. He has facial asymmetry and the skin is smooth without any secondary changes. You have a soft and non-tender swelling, so you had parotitis. And further examination, swelling of the buccal mucosa extending from the first to the third molar. You have air. Okay, so areas of echogenicity consistent with pneumoparotid. So he got air into his parotid gland, and basically your buccinator muscle, it acts like a flap and it prevents the air from entering into your Stenson's duct and parotid gland. Got it? So the buccal branch, because he also had facial asymmetry, right? So you could associate the facial asymmetry with the facial asymmetry. There's involvement of the facial nerve, and therefore it is the buccal branch. Got it?
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.